How to remove end-to-end encryption on Twitter. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, in order to remove end-to-end encryption on Twitter, first of all, launch the Twitter application on your device and make sure that you're logged in to your account. As you're logged into your account on Twitter application, what you simply need to do is make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device as well. Now select on the DM section or the message icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. So the option to remove the end-to-end encryption on Twitter is accessible only if you have a verified account. So if you are a verified user, then only you will be able to enable or remove the end-to-end encryption on Twitter. Otherwise, we do not have the option to remove or enable the option of end-to-end encryption. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.